Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to share account on Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll doesn't have the strict rules on sharing accounts as Netflix or other streaming platforms. That means that you can simply share your email and password to your account and the other person can connect and watch anime even if they are in different household and you have only the package fan, because that means if you have the package fan, you can only have one device. So you can watch on one device at one time, but if you try to watch two-person at the same time, one will get an error message. Now, if you upgrade to Mega Fan, you can watch up to 4 devices and Ultimate Fan 6 devices. So make sure that you have the right plan and then just simply create a profile. Click right here on your profile and then switch profile. Add new, and here you can add a profile name. So let's say this is the name of the human that I want to add. Press save. And now you have two multiple profiles, so your watching lists won't mix up. You can also manage the profiles right here. Click on this pencil icon and here you can delete them if you want. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.